Hello, everyone. I just wanted to drop a quick line and talk a little bit about a recent executive rule that's come down. Now, this is regarding people arriving in the United States who want to claim asylum. Now, as you know, or some of you may know, last year, President Biden came down with another executive order. And in that executive order, he indicated that people arriving in the United States, EWI, or entry without inspection, where they did not go through a border patrol point, or they did not apply to try to have their asylum case heard by an officer at the border, those individuals, if they entered without inspection, which means basically if they came through a fence, that sort of thing, then they could be denied asylum if, at their immigration hearing, they could not demonstrate that either they had an excuse, such as, for example, there was an emergency, somebody was sick, and so they had to be allowed in to get medical help, or if they, let's say, attempted to log on to the government system and it didn't work. So the executive order says that these individuals, they can come in, they can file for asylum when they're in proceedings, but they could be denied if they cannot show a circumstance as to why they did not either enter properly or attempt to enter properly. So, the new executive order only came down a few days ago. And the new executive order is that if any individual enters without inspection, and over the past 7 days, there have been more than 2,500 people attempting to enter the United States, an average of 2,500 people per day, then at that point, Border Patrol may immediately remove people and they would not be allowed to apply for asylum, even if they have grounds for an asylum case. So that changes things dramatically, makes it much more dangerous. They could be sent back to their home country or turned back to the country that they came from. So that might mean, for example, if a Chinese citizen came in through the border and it came during this time, that Chinese citizen could be turned away and sent back to China, where he or she may fear persecution, or they might just be removed to Mexico, in which case they might be prey to whatever criminal elements are in Mexico. So these are the most recent executive orders.